Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a 360 degrees camera or compatible phone and a verified Google account. First, calibrate GPS and timestamps so uploads attach correctly. Once done, open the Street View app and practice one complete capture, interior pano, exterior shots, and directional passes. Make sure to collect business names, hours, and contact info while on site. Start with 1 to 3 nearby businesses. Offer a quick free sample pano to demonstrate quality, then pitch a paid package. Now you scale the workflow. Begin by mapping each client location and planning pano points. Aim for consistent tripod height and 50-70% overlap. Capture in sequence to simplify stitching. Use neutral exposure and bracket if lighting varies. Once shots are ready, stitch and clean seams in your software, then edit metadata so business names and categories match Google My Business. Upload in batches, add clear descriptions, and notify clients. Make sure to invoice promptly, and record image ID and permissions. Finish by converting clients to paying customers. Present 3 packages: single shoot, quarterly updates, and premium virtual tour maintenance. Price by pano count and travel. Once a tour is live, show analytics gains and ask for testimonials to attract referrals. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Confirm GPS metadata, check image format, and stitch seams, then re-upload. Keep original files for 5 to 7 days and backups indefinitely. If Google flags content, address policy issues and resubmit corrected images immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.